Welcome to OpenECRI's Trader Training. My name is Toby Gennaro. What I'll be talking about today is a trading strategy that we are teaching in the OpenECRI Advanced Strategy course. We call it the Momentum Breakout Strategy, and it can help your trading consistency over the long haul. Let's take a look. Trading the breakout, that's what the momentum strategy is. So to better understand the nature of breakouts, this is really the explosive force with which price breaks through a resistance or a support level. So this is akin to the power of like a volcano that builds up to a point where the pressure can no longer be contained and the volcano erupts and you get this immediate surge of energy. Now, scientists can tell when volcanoes are about to erupt. They can take preventative measures to preserve human life and so forth. And it's really the same way with a breakout strategy. We can tell when price begins to build up that pressure, and then we can anticipate that breakout at a very specific point in the price action. We don't know exactly when, but we do know at what price. And based upon the time frame we're trading, we do have a general idea of the time until breakout, which really makes this a great trade to have in your bag. Now, I spent some time describing flat levels on some other videos, so I won't go into a lot of detail here. This is actually where we are going to use flat levels. Now, our job as traders is to identify a well-defined flat level and then trade the breakout of that level. Flat levels are defined by a minimum of 2 prior touches or more by price. So the more touches the better, and we'd prefer at least 3 touches to form a good solid level. And in most trading situations, I think the markets will give you that. The momentum breakout strategy is really harnessing the power of this principle, trading the break. So we have a defensive position for our stop loss, a clear and precise entry point, and multiple targets based on the price action. Here's an example of a model breakout pattern. The ideal breakout will again have those 2 or 3 touches at a flat level, which gives us our true support or true resistance level. Now sometimes you'll get some longer consolidations at the flat level and you'll see 3 to 5 touches before the break possibly. It is a very good sign if you get a consolidation of small candles trending up into the flat level. This usually signals that the breakout is fairly near. You'll also notice a solid trending pattern here on these breakouts where price action is trending up into the flat level on each and every pullback. And in this example, we have a good place for our stop loss. We have 3 touches at a flat level, some small candles consolidating up into that flat level. So overall, a very good setup here. So here's a list of our rules for the momentum breakout strategy. We are trading breakouts of flat horizontal levels. We're only taking those breakouts in the direction of the predominant trend. We're looking for convergence on the break between both price and the indicators, the MACD and the RSI. And that means if price is breaking to new highs, we want to see the indicators doing the same thing. If price is making new lows, then the indicators should follow suit as well. We want strong price action support, protecting our stop loss. We want to play strong defense here and protect our stop. We want to manage our risk. This gives us the advantage of our targets being very likely to be hit and our stops very unlikely to be hit. And we're only going to risk a maximum of 1% of our capital on each trade. So make money slowly in the markets. If you're making money too fast, you're probably taking too much risk. Now, if you're interested in improving your trading and learning a trade strategy, check out the OpenECRI website under Education and look for other trading videos and webinars, or you can call customer service for more information and educational events. Thanks for watching OpenECRI's Trading Education.